All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Unique Adventures. On this episode, we are out here at the Tacoma Dome. It's RV show season. We're out here January 2022. We're out here at the Tacoma RV show. We're going to go inside, try to check some things out, see if there's anything new out there for us to scope out and take you guys along. So let's go ahead and get inside. So, all right, so we're out here. I saw that they were going to have this here today, and I definitely had to come check this thing out. This is, what is this? This is made by OPUS, and this rig here is off-grid, off-road travel rig. But what's different about this thing is it actually inflates to actually make the frame or the upper structure, which is crazy. So you got the control panel there, and then you turn it on when you get to camp, and the whole outer structure here is actually blown up, the canvas part of the tent here. So this is all up by air. Crazy. And they got a little grill right here. And then the other cool thing is they got this tow rack on this side, so when it's all the way collapsed down, you can bring this back over the top and you can carry all your utility things. I have never seen an inflatable tent trailer before, so definitely love seeing these new things out here. All right, so something that we're seeing here, it's probably not really a new design, but something I find completely fascinating. We got this 382 WB Grand Design Solitude behind us, and the cool thing about this trailer is the amount of storage this thing has. This is all under the back pass. And then it even has a reel here for your power cord. But look at all of this storage. It's got a tray that comes out. Wrap around storage. That's pretty crazy. And this rig right next to us here also has the same type of storage. It's nuts how much you can put into these trailers and how wide open the access is. We also got to see they had a Momentum here as well. Big 38, 39 foot guy. Retail on that guy $150,000. The toy hauler game is not cheap, especially in Grand Design with their Momentum series. Truly some gorgeous rigs out here. Let's keep going. All right, we saw another trailer here. We're looking at the Tab 400 BD. Definitely catches the eye for sure. Definitely a gorgeous rig here. Nice little storage down there. This guy's show price today, $45,995. We come in here, is not very big, but definitely has a lot of high-end finishes, high-end, you know, cabinetry, dometic sink, dometic cooktop, privacy shade. I'm assuming that rolls completely black. Got your bed section back here. It's just gorgeous. And then you go into the wet bath. Got a little window there, but Got your toilet, and then your shower set up there. And if you're not using the shower, I thought this was pretty cool. Pop that down, and now you got a sink to wash up, brush your teeth, do that, and then it folds right back in. Pretty awesome setup. You're definitely going to spend for this, but if you're looking at small, this might be the way to go. Alright, so we got another brand here, Outdoors RV, manufactured here around in the Pacific Northwest, outside of Oregon. Four Seasons camper here, extreme detail. We're going to look at this 24 RKS and show you guys a little bit of the detail. This rig is actually pretty nice. So you got this 24 RKS, show priced $46,265. But as we come in here, you start seeing very rich finishes here. Love the countertops, and the wood is so rich. If you're liking more light interior, this is probably not your brand. But just a ton of detail in here. Even going up to the pass-through up here, got the Outdoors RV embossed logo there. Got a skylight up there, which that's kind of nice. But just a gorgeous, gorgeous rig. We're going to come back here. Take a look at the bathroom here. Nothing too extremely amazing in there. But we're just coming back. Got your solar charge controller up there. That's what's flashing. But just a gorgeous, gorgeous rig. Gorgeous finishes. And definitely not a bad price, I think, for what you're probably getting. So let's go ahead and check something else out. We have found another unique way to camp here. We're here at the Beto's booth here. They have got a Palomino Revolve, and if you have not ever heard of this, which I hadn't before, it's all electric. The whole rig is completely electric, no propane, no nothing. This one here is called the EV2, and everything on it is completely electric. So let's go ahead and go in and show you a little bit about it. Alright, so we got this here. We got the EV2. Ran completely 100% powered on solar or shore power. This thing comes with 400 amp hours of lithium, I believe, 3500 watt inverter. Also comes with a DC to DC charge converter as well. This model here, I'm assuming this is kind of like a Murphy bed kind of setup where this kind of folds back. But got some Renogy products in back there. Got the charge controller and the inverter switch and stuff, all that. Remember, 3500 watts. And then you've got this Intellitronics system here, and you can actually put priority when you're starting to run low on electricity, what you actually want to have run. So if you're like, hey, you know what, I'd rather have my fridge be the highest priority and not the AC, you can do that. So, I mean, it's got AC, got that induction cooktop, obviously your 12 volt fridge. No slides in this model, but I believe from what the salesman was telling me, this model is actually being discontinued. This will have slides in it from now on. Got an electric fireplace down here. Just crazy to think about a trailer with no propane. And this one here is priced for $36,850, and that comes with the DC to DC charge converter, the 3500 watt inverter, or the DC to DC connector, the 3500 watt power inverter, and the lithium batteries all come at that price. It's crazy. And then when you get on the outside, you can come over here, obviously electric hot water heater. You got your shore power plug over here, but then you've got MC4 solar plugs that you can actually pull them out and tuck them away. So then you can add up to another 300 watts, bringing you up to 700 watts of solar on this rig. Sitting there thinking that this might start to become the future of RVing, and it's sitting right in front of us right now, that this trailer is completely ran 100% by electric power. Just batteries in the front, no propane. And the other cool thing, that it's also got a Line-X across the whole front of this. Nice textured finish there. Truly a crazy looking rig, definitely unique and different. Totally amazing. Full electric rig. All right, so we're still here. Got another little interesting guy here. Tried and true staple GeoPro 19 FBS here. I do like some of the upgrades that Rockwood is doing. Definitely got those torsion axle there. I love the cooktop and stuff right on the side of the trailer here. That's pretty awesome. Also like that friction hinge. Got the 12 volt DC compressor fridge. Just a nice classic look in here. You know, got your east to west bed here, but you know, still full size queen. Looks good. The one thing I also saw this year in these trailers is that roller shades, roller blackouts are now factory standard now, which is really nice. With all the options and the double ASDEL and all that, this is actually a pretty good rig. This one right now is priced at $29,995, but pretty nice looking rig. This is not really a new model, but it's just kind of feature packed and has it in all the right places. You know, porcelain foot flush, you know, toilet there. Just really really classic looking rig. So alright, so one of the last things I wanted to show you here, something that just kind of caught my eye, probably very high end. We ran into a Van Lee beacon here, and this guy is a 42.5 RDB. Show price on this fifth wheel is $155,000. I haven't been in one of these before, but I've heard they're a pretty premium brand. So let's go show you guys around what a $150,000 fifth wheel looks like. what an amazing rig. This this thing has got some crazy high-end finishes in it. The bathroom was insane. The front living room with that big TV, those plush couches in there, the finishes. I can definitely see why this is probably one of the most expensive fifth wheels out there. Just high end. I heard one of the salesmen talking to somebody about the paint being special as well. I didn't really hear exactly what they had to say about it, but truly amazing. All right, that is going to wrap up our time here at the show. We definitely got to show you some unique things. Didn't get to see, you know, everything. There is so much to see, so much going on. Definitely is always good to get out there and see what's out on the market, you know, kind of scoping some things out. But the theme I'm starting to see with trailers and stuff out here is solar everything. Everything is coming equipped with, you know, solar prep or solar charge controllers. A lot of the trailers here now have it that didn't have them before. We even looked at our 267 VHSW made by Jayco, also had a solar charge controller built into it. So things are all progressing towards that. And then we showed you that rig that was completely electric. Everything is going solar electric. It seems to be the wave on where things are going. But we had a good time here at the show. We definitely had a good time taking you guys along with us. Make sure, if you haven't yet, hit that like button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you thought about what we saw here, or maybe what you ended up seeing here at the show. Just kind of let us know. Be subscribed to the channel. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next adventure.